In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate music for design with Canva AI. So first head over to canva.com, then in the left panel hover your mouse on more, then click on apps. Then here search for an app called AI Music Generator and start using this app on your design. So here, all you have to do is describe the mood that you would like for your music. Make sure that it matches your design. So say for example, this is the design we want a music for, and the mood that we want for this design is a relaxing background music with soft piano and calm atmosphere. And for the category, you can choose something that is more calm, like rhythm and blues. Now select the duration of the music and click on Generate Music. Once done, the generated music will then be automatically added on your timeline. All you have to do is make some adjustments like volume, also trim the music and sync it with your visuals as necessary. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!